giving Joker. What is going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Boo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, planning some makeup. I wanted to do a Halloween DIY look today. I wanted to also show you guys how to make blood and how to create scars on your face for Halloween. You know, you might be going to a Halloween party, and if you're going to a Halloween party, I got you. So with that being said, we are going to be jumping right into it. I want to start off with showing you guys how to make blood, okay? So what you're going to need, some honey. I like honey because it's thick. It's a little sticky, but it's all right. You dig me? All right, so all you're going to do, you're going to take this honey, take as much as you want. I put that much. And you're going to take some food coloring, and you're going to take the red one. Be careful because it does get on your hands or whatever. But you're just going to take one drop. Well, let's do two drops. We're gonna use a Q-tip and we're gonna mix it, and you see the blood? Now I'm gonna give you a trick that I do. So this is what I do to make it not be so red. I take a little bit of blue, not a lot of blue at all. That little bit right there, you see it? Because sometimes that blue, it shows up too much and you don't want it to show up a lot. But now, it look like blood. So now we got our blood. So let me just wipe this stuff off my hands. So for face, I kind of want to give Joker a little bit. So for primer, we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is like a white primer. This is going to be my first time doing this Joker look, so don't be talking about me, laughing at me. But we're gonna see how it's gonna work out. I think it's gonna work out good. So next we're gonna be jumping into the Danessa Myricks. This is the Color Fix. I'm just going to blend this all over my face. And I don't really care about it looking patchy because the Joker, his white was like very patchy. You could clearly tell like he had it on for a minute. You feel what I'm saying? So I kind of want to give that same kind of vibe. So now since I have all this white down, I'm going to jump into this baddie black base. This is the P. Louise, and I'm going to take a little bit and squirt it on top of both of my lids. And I'm just going to pat that all over my eye. And going under the eye as well. And now since I have that down, I'm gonna jump into some black eyeshadow. I'm gonna just scrunch up. And then I am gonna take some gel eyeliner and put it on the bottom of my lid. Ooh, that look crazy. All right, so now we need to do the mouth. So for the mouth, we're going to jump into a lime crime pencil. Doing like little things here. We just draw in the inner line. And then we're going to take some red lipstick, and this is the Rose in Harlem by my boo, Tiana Teller. We're going to be jumping now into making the realistic mouth cut. So what you're going to need, you're going to need some tissue. You can get tissue from anywhere, okay? And you're going to peel strips. Now, you could use this technique with any type of regular cut. So you're going to need some water. I got some water right here. Right where that placement is at, we're going to place this tissue like right here and lay water. Not a lot of water, because a lot of water, it get like too crazy or whatever. That line is where we're going to put the blood at, okay? So now I'm gonna do my other face really quick. I'm gonna do the other side. All right, so now since we have that down, we're gonna jump right back into that white. We only need like a pinch and dab that right over top. And this is just covering it up, you dig me? and then just blend that in. So now since we have that down, we could take anything, some scissors, but right where that line is in the middle, I'm gonna break all that up. You see what I'm saying? Anything that looks like it could go away, take it off. You want it to look as natural as possible. We're gonna take glue, Elmer's glue. You get any type of regular glue. We're gonna take this glue and we're gonna squeeze it right in between. We're gonna take the blood and we're gonna put it in the middle too. And just draw the blood closer. Alright, so now since we have that down, I want to show you how to do just like a regular cut. So you're going to take the Elmer's glue and then you're going to take a little brush and just lay the cuts. And then you're going to let that dry or whatever. And while we let that dry, I want to just do a little smudge like on the lip. Like that. Alright, so now since we have that down, we're going to separate it just like that. And put it right in between. So my boo, this is the final look. As you can see, giving Joker, scary, gory. If you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also my boo, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, boo, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first. And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.